Hello Internet! In this video I'm going to show you my 3D setup for Gloomhaven Jaws of the Lion Scenario 10. First of all, I need to say Gloomhaven is a pretty cool game, especially Jaws of the Lion. It's pretty easy to find your way in. And after I got my 3D printer a couple of weeks ago, I started to print a lot of stuff for that game. So here in the first room, you see I printed out some traps. These are from Thingiverse, a free file. I just cut the edges here and here that it fits better on the board, and I scaled it a little bit bigger. This door is from MacHacks, also a free file from Thingiverse. This palisades here, actually it would be more like a wooden wall, but I used this palisades I got from Warcry, the starter box. Awesome terrain in that box. I highly recommend it when you get your hands on one of these first starter boxes from Warcry. It's awesome. Then for this wooden pillar I just used a barrel because I didn't find anything to use for that. For those monsters, I don't know what it's called in English. In German it's Schwarzschlick. I just used some Murlocs. I painted black. Those were from the World of Warcraft board game. It's probably already 10 years old. I just got that in the closet, so I thought I put some paint on it and maybe I could use it for something, and here I could use that. I could use it for that. So here for the stone golems, I also used some figures I got from that World of Warcraft board game, and I think they fit pretty well for the stone golems. For the gas traps, I used also a 3D file from Thingiverse, and I just put some contrast over that, contrast colors from Games Workshop. Great for that gas smoke. So, and in the last room, I just used a chest I got over from another game system, and for the Chaos Demons I used ghosts that I also got left over from the World of Warcraft board game. Here you see a lot of traps again. This scenario was pretty cool to play, not that easy, but I had a lot of fun playing it. So I also got for our hero models this part, just put it off, and here you can stick down your status effects. So when you got a buff or a debuff, you just put it in there and you see it next to your figure all the time which status effect you got at the moment, so you don't forget it. It's pretty cool. It's also a free file from Thingiverse. So guys, what do you think? I will put all the links from the 3D files I used for that scenario down below. If you have any further questions or want to see another scenario, just leave a comment down below, and we see us the next time. Goodbye.